The wait is finally over. Get ready for the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 series. Samsung is preparing for its next big Unpacked event, which is expected to take place in early July. At this event, they're not only unveiling new foldable smartphones but also the latest in smartwatch innovation, including fresh color options and designs. Let's take a closer look at what we know so far. First, the Galaxy Watch 8 series will be available in two distinct models, the standard Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. And here's the exciting part, the Classic model is making a return. This is something Samsung fans have been eagerly awaiting, and it's now confirmed. According to reliable source WinFuture, the Galaxy Watch 8 range will be available in 4 color options, divided across these two models. The base Galaxy Watch 8 will come in graphite and silver, while the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will be offered in black and white. Whether you prefer something sleek and modern or a more traditional, minimalist look, Samsung is providing options that cater to different tastes. Samsung is also changing the design of these new smartwatches. Rather than sticking with the usual circular or rectangular shapes, both models will feature a new design style that debuted with the Galaxy Watch Ultra last year. This design, known as the squirrel shape, is a rounded square that combines the smooth curves of a circle with the practicality of a square. This innovative style will give the Galaxy Watch 8 series a fresh and modern appearance, drawing inspiration from the well-loved Watch Ultra. The base Galaxy Watch 8 will be available in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. This gives users a choice between a smaller or larger display, catering to various wrist sizes and personal preferences. However, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will only come in one size, which marks a departure from previous Classic models that offered multiple size options. But given the significant design overhaul, this move seems logical, with Samsung focusing on one carefully selected size that suits the majority of users. In addition to the Galaxy Watch 8 series, Samsung has more exciting products in the pipeline. A second-generation Galaxy Watch Ultra is in development, though details remain under wraps. Samsung is also working on a new concept, a trifold smartphone that could provide even more screen real estate when unfolded. Moreover, an affordable Galaxy Z Flip model is expected to launch soon, joining the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 in Samsung's growing foldable range. Reports suggest that this more budget-friendly foldable will be unveiled alongside the Galaxy Watch 8 series at the July event, making it a massive month for Samsung enthusiasts. WinFuture's report also provides additional insights into Samsung's upcoming foldable devices. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE will come in two storage variants, 128GB and 256GB, and will be available in black and white colors. The regular Galaxy Z Flip 7 will offer more storage choices, including 256GB and 512GB, along with color options like black, blue, and a new coral red, which was introduced earlier this year with the Galaxy S25. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be available in black and blue shadow, with some reports suggesting additional exclusive hues like silver shadow and coral red. The Fold 7 will also feature more generous storage options, offering 12GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of storage, as well as a high-end variant with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. For those eyeing Samsung's foldable smartphones, there will be plenty of colors and storage options to choose from. The return of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is significant because it brings back the beloved design of a traditional watch, complete with physical buttons and a premium feel. Last year, Samsung focused on the Ultra model, but with the Classic making a comeback, there's now more variety to suit different tastes. While the Classic will only be available in one size this time, it will retain that elegant look with updated design features borrowed from the Watch Ultra. The new squirrel design gives the watch a modern, yet comfortable, stylish appearance. At Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event, the company is expected to unveil all of these new products, including the Galaxy Watch 8 series, new foldable devices, and One UI 8, their latest software update for all devices. This event is particularly important for Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts alike, as it highlights the company's latest innovations and improvements. If you're considering upgrading your smartwatch or trying out Samsung's newest foldables, this year's lineup looks incredible.